Want to take your hair from this to this? Keep on watching. First, we're going to take some argan oil just to help with the frizz, girl. Don't use a lot, girl. Just a little bit, okay? Then you want to get yourself a little hair tie, you know, just to hold your hair up while you separate them. When separating your hair, take your time. Take your time. Do not break your ends. Remember, that's how you retain length, okay? And this is what it looks like when I take one down. Now I'm going to do that to my entire head. Now I'm going to go in with a little Eco Stylie Gel, girl. You know, listen, a little edge control could do the work too, but girl, I had Eco, so we gonna make it do what it do, okay? I'm gonna do a little baby hair, not a lot, because I'm still trying to like get my edges back, you know, so we trying to grow them edges out, girls. So we're not going to do a lot. We're not going to do a whole lot. Girl, I'm definitely gonna get this little part, child. I was so happy with that little swoop. And baby, the results, baby, take that old hair and turn it into something new. Let me know in the comment section, would you try this, or are you sick and tired of your natural hair? Do you want a perm? Girl, what is the plan? But thank you for watching. Bye, y'all.